Hello everyone, back out again as you can see. This time I'm with Isabel. You want to say hello, Isabel? Hello.
Hello.
We've been out for hiking together for a while, so we're in a place actually only about half an hour out of Sitges, a place called Castelldefels, which is we're kind of just above that, and there's some caves and a few places that we're going to visit, hopefully, once we get there. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It's going to get up to about 25 degrees, but at the moment we left about 8 o'clock to try and get the cooler weather, but it is already pretty warm. But luckily where we're walking now is quite shaded, but there's not a cloud in the sky. It's absolutely perfect day, perfect temperature at the moment for hiking. No doubt that's going to get a little bit warmer later. So we're undecided. We've got two choices. We can do like a 10 or 11 kilometer hike, but we're going to see how we feel, and if we feel like it we can extend it a little till about 16 or 17 kilometers. But so we're both a little bit out of practice. We're going to see how it goes. So yeah, let's see, just join us. Not going to be much talking on this video, mostly just show the area. First time we've both been to this particular hike, so hopefully see some nice things, and it'd be nice to see some wildlife, but not bore. I'd rather, unless a little bit of a safe distance away. So yeah, enjoy.
¿Qué pasote?
Pues vale, tengo una película.
Mira que nos la hagan ellos.
Venga.
So that was that. There's one thing I've learned today after today's hike, I'm severely out of shape. Thought I was having a heart attack at one point. Absolutely shattered. And we've got a hike planned later in the summer to go up in the Pyrenees and stay in some refuges. So between now and then I really need to work on my fitness or that trip will not happen. But anyway, drank about 3 litres of water. Beautiful hike though, beautiful day, although it's getting really hot now. But it is a stunning hike. I hope the video captured some of it. It was pretty difficult in parts. A lot of uneven paths, but glad I did it though, I'm not complaining. I'm absolutely aching now, my back, my shoulders, my feet, my legs, everything. So I'm going to go home, have a nice siesta, a nice shower and an early night. But yeah, it's nice to be out hiking with Isabel again. She's really fit because she's been skiing all winter, so she's used to it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Until the next time, look after yourselves, and hopefully I'll be a bit fitter for the next one. Look after yourselves. Bye for now. Whew.